my name is Anya and I will be painting here real time so that I can have a job and I can enjoy, so I can express myself through painting and through music, through art, through anything creative. So this is a business. If you want to buy my products, you can do so. Please notify me if you like, and the item, the painting, the scrunchies, the crop top, the items that we have, so that I can earn and I can have my business. So this is the draft or the practice painting that I'm doing. Simple lang siya, ginawan ko siya ng shapes and lines. Ganyan, tapos ganyan. Yan. And then, I will be sharing to you the